This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials. Verify the touchpad is enabled and that no keyboard toggle has turned the cursor off. Once done, check for external mice blocking input and unplug them to isolate the problem. Make sure to toggle the touchpad option in Settings right arrow device, right arrow touchpad while watching for the cursor. If the pointer still won't show, restart the Chrome OS interface quickly. This is faster than a full reboot and often restores the cursor by reinitializing drivers and extensions. You move into the detailed fixes. Disable extensions that modify input or UI because they can hide the cursor. Once disabled, reload tabs and test the pointer. This isolates extension conflicts. Next, ensure Chrome OS is up to date. Updates include driver and input fixes. If updates don't help, sign out and test in guest mode to rule out your profile. Power wash is a last resort. Backup files first, because it resets the system and removes lingering configuration problems causing. You wrap up with hardware and recovery steps. If software fails, check the trackpad connection by gently reseating the ribbon cable if you're comfortable opening the chassis, or contact support when under warranty. Meanwhile, plug in an external USB or Bluetooth mouse to keep working. If you're confident with advanced steps, creating a recovery USB lets you boot a clean image and determine whether the issue is hardware-related. If recovery still shows no cursor, the trackpad or board likely needs service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.